45 divided by 9 parenthesis 45 divided by 9. This is very simple but tricky math. Try to solve by your own and comment your answer to get featured here. These are top commenters. Okay, and we will take help with PEMDAS, and here we can say we will solve in a stepwise method, so everybody will understand how it's going to solve. So we will have here that according to PEMDAS, that is parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division and subtraction. Many solve like this: 45 divided by 9, that is 5, times 45 divided by 9, which equals to 5, and 5 times 5, which equals to 25. This is actually, even if you get the right answer, but this is not the right way. Okay, so I will show you how you can solve step by step method. So in every question you can apply on these formulas, or you can say this order of operations, so you will never get any wrong answer. So we will read out the question here: 45 divided by 9, 45 divided by 9. So according to PEMDAS, that is parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. First preference will be given to this parenthesis, which will be 45 divided by 9, which equals to what? 5. So we will simply write here 45 divided by 9 times 5. And there are two operations. Actually, many are solving like this: 45 divided by 9 times 5, which equals to 45, and 45 divided by 45, which equals to 1. Do you think this is the right answer? No, this is not the right answer. I will show you how you can solve 45 divided by 9 times 5. As we can see, there are two operations, that is division and multiplication. And as we know, multiplication and division have the same priority, and we have to operate left to right. So we will operate left to right, and from left we have this division operation, that is 45 divided by 9, and when we operate we will get answer 5. So we will simply write 5 times 5, which equals to 25. As I told you, even you get the right answer, this is not the right way to solve. So always follow the order of operations, and here 25 is the right answer. And if you found this video helpful, like this video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And always check out my description for best Amazon products. Thanks for watching.